Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sabrina. Today I'm going to show you how to change from one look to another. Like, I've had this look, you've probably seen it in one of my other tutorials, but this look here, and I'm going to change it as if to say I'm going to a party or something. So I'm going to change it to a party look, and I'm going to do it very easily, and I'm going to show you how. So basically we're going to use the same products that we did before. So I'm going to take my Anastasia palette, and I'm going to take the, what brushes? Sorry guys, I keep losing stuff. I'm going to take the 808 brush, I'm going to take the colour Red Ochre, and I'm basically going to put that in on my crease to deepen it a bit. It doesn't matter if it goes over the gold, guys. And on the other side, I'm going to do both sides together so you guys kind of can pick up on what I'm doing. Guys, I was just covering my eyelashes, as you know. This eyelash has been annoying me all day today. Just thought I'd drop that in there. Okay, so that's done. Now I'm gonna go into my Morphe 15N palette, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up the colour Hello, which is like a plum taupey brown colour, and I'm going to be using Real Techniques basic base shadow brush, and pick that, and I'm going to place it on the end to deepen the ends of it. You don't have to do this if you don't want a dark colour, like an end colour in there, and if you just want to kind of keep it halo-y kind of. So I'm going to do it. So far guys, like, I've used so many palettes in my life, but I don't know what it is. This 15N palette is just so appealing to me. Like, there's just so much you can do with it, and honestly guys, I'm not gonna lie to you, like, I think I've underestimated the power of the Morphe pigment. Like, I think I've kind of taken it for granted a bit. So I used to be like, my friend used to say all the time, such a good brand, like such good quality for your money. And I used to be like, no, I like my other brands, like, it's just not appealing to me enough. And honestly guys, like, ever since I've got this palette, I think it's my go-to palette, because the colours are just amazing in there, as you can see, like, literally, and they're just full of pigment, like so. Let's look at that one. This is the pigment, and like, can I just, you know, I've got glue in my hand. I'm not the best at swatching, by the way. Like, do you see how much pigment there is? So it's just amazing, and I love it. So it looks like that. Don't get me wrong, this eye doesn't look the best, but don't worry, I just have a dirty needle in there and tidy it up like so. Like so. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the colour Unique with my finger and just take some like that, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to place it on the inner corner of my eye, just like that. I'm going to do it very genuinely so because I have trouble with this lash. like that. But to further intensify it, because I do want glitter on there, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to do put some glitter on my lash. I'm not even going to try and take that off because we all know what's going to happen with flipping lashes and them flying off. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the Glam Crystals in the colour Funk, and I'm going to put it on all the sections where I just put some gold eyeshadow. So just dab it on, just like so. Just come in a bit. The eye. Just like that. Sorry guys, I nearly lost my voice. Put a bit more on this side. I'm going to come in a bit closer and just, because I feel like you can't see the quality as much as you can in person. I've just done it like that. I'm just going to quickly let that dry, guys, because we know what's going to happen if I don't. Whilst my eyes are closed, actually, I think I'm going to do a little wing on each side. Let me just do this eye first. Line it out. Now for the other side. I always feel like this side looks a bit more shadowy. It's because my window's on that side, so I think that light hits it here, but when I turn around I feel like it's kind of like blocked, if that makes sense. So guys, my eyes don't look that dark on that side, trust me. See, I don't think you can see it properly. I'm going to move back. Let me move that. So you can see it a lot better, can't you? Oh god. I'm having quite a bit of disasters today, guys, by the way. First thing first, I fell over in the gym. Second thing, I have broken exactly 2 dishes. Third thing, I dropped my liquid highlight all over my desk and it dropped onto the carpet. Third thing, I've also dropped loose glitter on top of that, so, and I've ruined so many palettes today. But anyway, this is a finished look. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.